Welcome to my channel. This is Plant Lifestyles. On my channel, I teach a lot about spiritual things, how to remove yourself from any negative energy using herbs and then the natural things around us. Yeah, thank you for liking the video and subscribing. Share my video to other people to also benefit. Today, I'm going to share with you what a subscriber just commented in the comment section, saying, "How can I save my son from being a witchcraft? My house help initiated him." Okay, so if your child has been already initiated, you are going to learn how to help that child from being free from that witchcraft. Okay, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Number one, we are going to talk about how to perform a spiritual bath for that child to remove that negative energy. And after the spiritual bath, we are going to also look at the things to do to banish that spirit from that person. Okay, so in the first place, you are going to get your precursor. You are going to also get your neem leaf. This leaf is neem leaf. That is the neem plant. You are going to get the neem leaf. So you get your precursor and cut them into pieces. Get 7 precursor, cut it into pieces, and then you are going to get the leaves of neem. 7 like this. This one is 1, 2. So you are going to get 7 pieces of this neem leaf. Okay, so you cut the precursor into pieces, then you pound, you get your 7 leaves of the neem plant, and then you pound it, you add it to the pieces that you have cut, the precursor pieces, then you add water to it. Let it stand for overnight. When it stands for overnight, there is a perfume on the screen called Stop Evil Perfume. Yes, this is the Stop Evil Perfume. You are going to add it to the water. You're going to add it to the water, and then when you add it to the water, you allow it to also stand for some hours, about 3-4 hours, for the perfume to charge the water. So after the perfume has charged the water, you are going to bath the child with that water in the evening before sleep. Make sure you divide that water into 3. You are going to bath it for 3 days in the evening, only in the evening, for 3 days. If the water is not enough, when you divide into 3, you can add extra water to the part divided, so that it can use to be enough for you to bath the child. Once again, after you have taken your spiritual bath for 3 consecutive days, you are going to get the spray on, or the perfume on the screen. The name of the perfume is Divine Grace. The Divine Grace, you are going to get that Divine Grace perfume, and you are going to get the Aruna perfume. These all perfumes are available at my end. If you want to place your order, you can contact me, and then I will ship to you wherever you are. You get these perfumes after you finish your spiritual bath or your spiritual cleansing bathing. You are going to banish the spirit. So this is what you are going to use. Each of these perfume, you are going to put the full lid of the perfume into the bathing water of the child. After the 3 consecutive bath, you are going to put the lid of these 3 perfumes into the bath of the child, morning, afternoon, evening. Yes, for the Stop Evil, you are going to add all the content, into the preparation that you made. Yes, so that one, there will be no leftover. Yes, if you want the original one, just contact me. My number is on the screen. Sometimes you can go out there and buy the fake one. Don't come and tell me I did it and it didn't work for me. Yes, for the leaves, they are available. And then there are other options that you can also help your child from this kind of witchcraft. You can boil the precursor alone, and then let him drink. As he drinks the tea from the precursor, it is helping the child spiritually, and it has a lot of health benefit on the child too. After drinking, like when you are drinking the precursor, you will be adding part of the precursor into the bathing water of the child. But at this point, you are going to still get the Stop Evil container. That is the Stop Evil perfume. At this point, you are going to add a lid of the Stop Evil content into the child's bathing water. but don't add the stop evil into the drinking, that is the drinking part of the decoction. When you first part of the decoction and put it in the bucket, then you add your stop evil, lid of the stop evil into it. Once again, after you have taken this one, you take this for 3 consecutive days. Then the child will be drinking it for 3 consecutive days. It shouldn't be enough. At least you take 5 tablespoons, and then the child is okay. Will be okay. After the 3 days bath, make a decoction of the precursor again. Put it in the bucket with the precursor part being cut into that content. Put the stop evil and lid of it in it. Let the child stand or sit on the chair and put the 2 legs into the water, and then start praying a prayer to remove any negative. When you are performing this, add sea salt to the content. Add sea salt as the child's leg stays in the water. You are praying that sea salt will absorb any negative energy in the child. After the 3 days bath, will absorb any negative in the child, will bring positivity and cleanse the child from any bad spirit. Yes. From there, if part of the stop evil is left, you can be adding it to the bath, raw water for the child to be bathing. Yes, you can buy the big one or the smaller one. Any of them work for you. Make sure it is authentic and original one before buying it. Thank you for watching the video. Do this to save your child from witchcraft. Thank you.